Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about how to submit homework on GitHub Classroom. This is for the PG 310 2024 semester at University of Texas at Austin. I'm your TA Ning Yu Wang. So the first thing is, for every homework assignment, a link will be provided on Canvas. Here I have already created an assignment and the link is here. So you will need to copy and paste this link to your web browser. Let's see what happens. So if you have never used GitHub or GitHub Classroom, you will need to first sign up on GitHub to get an account. If you do have a GitHub account, this is what you will see. Okay. It will ask if you want to accept the assignment. And it says, once you accept this assignment, you will be granted to this repository in this organization on GitHub. And here, you should click Accept this assignment. Look at this green button. Click it. This will guide you to automatically get a clone of the template repository I have provided on GitHub Classroom. Okay, now it tells us you're ready to go. First, accept your invitation and then accept your assignment. So just click either of it. And then now here, the computer has created these files for you. We first look at what's there. So the .md file is a README file. It tells you what this repository is about. And then you can see three files. The assignment template.ip1b file. This is a template file you need to download and modify. Then there is a test.py file. That's a file we use to make some very basic tests on whether you have done your homework correctly. And at last, there is this run-test.bat file. This is a Windows command window file. It runs the test.py file for you, or you can use your Mac console, Linux console, or you can run your test.py file in the Spider or any other Python environment. So let's try to download it. Click on this green button called Download Code. And there are several ways to download it. You can either open with GitHub Desktop or you can download the zip file. So I really recommend you use this one, and it will help you to also install the GitHub Desktop, and then you can very easily manage your files. And also you can download it and then unzip the thing. So after you have downloaded the file, this is what you will see here. The assignment template file, the test.py, and the run-test.bat. So the ip1b file is a Jupyter Notebook file, and you need to open it from Jupyter Notebook. So here is the folder that I have already downloaded and unzipped. So click on it. We will just open this file, and this file tells us this is a test assignment for you to try downloading, finishing, and uploading the homework. Please download this file, make a copy, and name it assignment.ip1b. Delete the line marked in the code, then upload it back to GitHub Classroom. So here, let's first make a copy of this. Click on File, and then Save As. The required name is assignment.ipynb. You can also make a copy here by just copy paste it in your Windows browser or on your Mac computer, whatever. Just make a copy of it and rename it as assignment. Then let's look for the line marked. It's here. Delete this line, so we delete it. And we click save. Okay, overwrite. Okay. Now you have created the assignment.py.ipynb file. You have modified the code as required. And the next step, let's try to run this file to see if it works. So this is a test.py file. It is using the unit test in Python, and let's see what will happen if we run it. So if you're using a Windows computer, you can double click it. If you're using other computers, you may need to run the .py file in a Spider or something. So we can just first there are several lines explaining what this .bat file does. This file runs a test.py file in Windows command window. You may also copy paste the commands into the Windows command window to run them. And well, by the way, you will need to install Python before you can run this test.py, and depending on your program, additional packages may be needed. Okay, so let's see. This is the command we are running, and the -v option ensures the correct answers are also shown on screen, so we can see detailed outputs. Okay. If you're reading this message, you have correctly created the assignment file. Nice. And the outputs, if you find the first one passed and the second one failed, you have correctly followed the assignment requirement. Let's see. Okay, the first one okay, the second one failed. Nice. It means we have passed. If you find the first one failed and the second one passed, it means you forgot to remove that line. So congratulations, you have correctly created that file. Let's close this, and the next step is you need to upload the assignment.ipynb file. So go back to the GitHub Classroom, click on the Add File, Upload Files, and then here you can see drag files here or add them to your directory or choose your files. So the easiest way is you just drag it here and then scroll down. There is an option whether you can commit directly to the master branch or create a new branch. Here I'm asking you to directly commit to the master branch, so click on Commit Changes. In this way you have uploaded your assignment file. If you want to upload a new version, just click on Add File, Upload Files, and repeat it, re-upload it. So after this, a TA can collect everything directly, automatically, and it will be automatically graded by an automatic grading system. So there's nothing else you need to worry about. That's it. Thank you.